Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef pho broth. First, thoroughly clean about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, like marrow and knuckle bones, under cold water to remove any blood or impurities. Next, roast the bones with a halved onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger until lightly browned. Then, blanch the roasted bones in boiling water for about 10 minutes. This crucial step helps remove any remaining scum, ensuring a clear and flavorful broth. After blanching, rinse the bones and place them back into a large stock pot. Add the charred ginger and onion, along with a spice sachet containing star anise, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and black cardamom pods. Cover with about 5 to 6 quarts of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer gently for at least 3 hours, or up to 6 hours, for a rich, deep flavor. Remember to skim any foam or excess fat from the surface periodically. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean pot, discarding all the solids. Now it's time to season. Add about 1/4 cup of good quality fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of rock sugar, and a pinch of salt. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You're aiming for a harmonious balance of savory, sweet, and umami flavors. This step is key to achieving that authentic pho taste. Your delicious homemade beef pho broth is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the piping hot broth over cooked rice noodles and thinly sliced raw beef in a bowl. The heat of the broth will gently cook the beef to perfection. Garnish generously with fresh herbs such as cilantro, Thai basil, mint, and sliced green onions. Offer lime wedges and chili for an extra kick. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.